is for apple, red and round. Apple, a crunchy sound. Can you make a crunchy sound like you're biting into a yummy apple? Great job! Next up is B. B is for ball, bouncing high. B, ball, up to the sky. Let's pretend we're bouncing a ball. B-O-ing. What comes after B? It's C. C is for cat, soft and small. C cat, meow to all. Let's hear your best cat. Meow. And here comes D. D is for dog, friendly and fun. D dog, let's all run. Time to wag your tail and get ready to play fetch. Look who's stumping in. E is for elephant, big and strong. Elephant, all day long. Let's make a long elephant trunk with our arm. Whoosh. Now let's dive into the water with F. F is for fish, swimming blue. F fish, hello to you. Let's make fishy faces. Blub, blub, blub. Who's that jumping around? G is for goat. Jump and play. G goat, shout hooray. Let's jump up and down like a happy little goat. Hooray. What's this? H is for hat. Oh my, H hat. Blue and red. Let's pretend to put on our favorite hat. Perfect. What a yummy treat. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. Ice cream. What a treat. Let's lick our imaginary ice cream cone. Delicious. Feeling thirsty? J is for juice, fresh and bright. JJ juice? Sip it right? So refreshing. Let's go outside. K is for kite, flying free. K kite, in the sea of sky. Let's hold our kite string and let it fly. High. Listen to that powerful sound. L is for lion, brave and loud. L, lion roar, so proud. Can you give me your biggest, mightiest roar?
Roar. And last for today, look who's swinging from the trees.
M is for monkey, funny and smart. M, monkey, steals my heart. Let's make monkey sounds. Ooh, ah. Wow, you were amazing today. You learned so many letters and words. Join us next time for more alphabet fun. Thanks for singing with me. And don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Bye. For now.